today's tooltip, we'll take you through the machine, the work holding, and the automation for the insert grinding. So the machine generally recommended is the MX7 Linear because it has 6 wheel packs and enough spindle power and a Robomate loader to support the automation. Now, the clamping ways, the indexable inserts are with a pin clamp because it's got a center hole, and the planar inserts are with an insert chuck with jaws. Now the pin clamp inserts can be through the center mount hole, which has generally the symmetrical profile, and the cutting types are the lay down, which is the axial cutting, the top layers, and the on edge or the tangential cutting is the rotary inserts, which is using the standard profile software, and we can also do other specials in the similar method. Now the work holding, the clamp pin or the anvil nose is used for the lay down inserts. And we also have the automation, so the pallet to anvil tooling, the robot grippers, and the pallets for the same. Now you can see a quick video of how the inserts are laid on the pallet and how it's being picked up. The full video is available on YouTube. And for the planar inserts, we have which is the flat form. We have the hole as the reference, or you can have the datum, which is the V or the flat, or all this as the reference. And this all has got customized jaws actually to suit different datums and tool sizes. And if you want to change to an end mill grinding or a round tools after the insert grinding, it can be easily converted very quickly to a Premier Plus for standard drill or end mill production. Next week, I'll take you through some of the digitizing options and how the references are set with the work holding for the insert grinding.